Morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
I don't know if I'd sing good moaning like that, but you know.
Here, you take the camera. You can do the honors.
Get pictures of your aunt.
Do it, Deke. Smile, buddy.
Where do we go?
Where all these golfers are going. How long we gotta ring these bells for? Don't hurt yourself on the way to breakfast.
You're gonna get. Oh, look at how nice it is. Sunrise!
There we go. He's like, okay, I'm just gonna walk a little bit faster. I'm doing a horrible job at filming. I think I filmed most of the sidewalk.
That's alright. There's the sun. Look at all these golfers. They're the only ones up.
It's like a golf expo right now for 5-year-olds. Look at the kid behind us.
You get a nice view of the golf course there.
You ever seen so many golf cars?
No. Holy mackerel.
You ever see the sun too, you know?
Mm-hmm.